This video will be a brief introduction to LabArchives. LabArchives is an electronic lab notebook. That means you can securely store, search, and share your laboratory data. LabArchives is cloud-based, and you can access your lab notebook anywhere using an internet connection. When you log into LabArchives, you will see a page like this. The center of the screen is your Workspace. This is where you can view and edit a page of your lab notebook and entries containing your data. The left-hand side is the notebook Navigator. This is where you can organize pages by folders and subfolders. You can create a new page by clicking New and selecting Add New Page. You can move a page by dragging and dropping. And you can rename a page by right-clicking and select Rename. To see other notebooks in your account, click the drop-down menu here, and to create a new notebook, select Create New Notebook here. At the top of the page is the LabArchives search feature. You can search across several or all notebooks in your account, and you can filter to find specific data. Clicking the purple LabArchives icon at the top of the page will open the activity feed. This is where you can see any notifications that you may have. To add data to your notebook, use the Add Entry toolbar. We have quite a few entry types in LabArchives. The most common entry type is the rich text entry. The rich text entry is a text editor that will allow you to add and format text on the page. When you are finished, click Save to Page. Every entry in LabArchives will have a timestamp from the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This means that users cannot manipulate the timestamp by changing their system clock. LabArchives maintains a complete revision history of your data. Data cannot be permanently deleted, and you can always revert to a previous version of a page or entry. If you delete a page or folder, it can always be recovered from the Deleted Items folder in the Notebook Navigator. To access the revision history for a page, select the Page Revision History on the Page Tools. To access the revision history for an entry, select the gear icon for that entry and select the word Revisions. If you would like to add a file to your lab notebook, simply select Attachment on the Add Entry toolbar. Select the files that you would like to add, and click Save to Page. You can also drag and drop a file onto the page. You can add up to 50 files at one time this way, and you can attach any file type, but we have built-in tools that allow online viewing and editing of Office documents, PDFs, and image attachments. When you hover your mouse over an entry, you will see the Entry toolbar. This toolbar contains a variety of functions which allow you to manipulate a given entry. The pencil icon will put the entry into edit mode. The arrows will move the entry up or down the page. The tagging feature allows you to add metadata to certain entries to improve your search results. The entry linking feature can be used to link to other pages in your lab notebook, other websites, or to files stored on a shared network drive. The last tool is the comment icon. This is a great way to communicate with other members of your lab. You can even mention other users to alert them about a new entry. LabArchives makes it easy to share data with others. The notebook owner has complete control over who can access the notebook. To share an entry, select the gear icon and select the word Share. To share a page, select the Share icon from the Page Tools. And to share an item from the Notebook Navigator, right-click or command-click on a Mac and select the word Share. Either way, that will bring up this menu. Simply type in a user's email address and give them 2 view or 2 edit rights. In the email that is sent to the recipient, you have the option to write a message inviting them to check out your data. Once that is done, they will be able to access this portion of your notebook. The notebook owner can also use features like user roles and groups to provide more granular control over user access to the notebook. If you want to learn more about tools available in LabArchives, please check out our knowledge base available at the purple eye on the top right by selecting the word Help. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, please email us at support@labarchives.com.